Why do 75% of people struggle to lose weight fast? Let's dive into the top 10 reasons and their solutions. Number 1, you're not tracking what you eat. Solution: use a food journal or an app to keep tabs on your intake. Number 2, you're skipping breakfast. Start your day right with a healthy, balanced meal. Number 3, not drinking enough water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your metabolism humming. Number 4, lack of sleep. Get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support weight loss. Number 5, stress levels through the roof. Incorporate relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Number 6, eating too fast. Slow down and savor your meals to avoid overeating. Number 7, not enough protein. Boost your meals with lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu. Number 8, relying on processed foods. Choose whole, nutrient-dense options instead. Number 9, not enough exercise variety. Mix up your workouts with cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Number 10, lack of consistency.